Scientists have been left baffled after discovering the Earth is spinning faster than normal, making days shorter than usual. New measurements by the UK's National Physical Laboratory shows that the Earth is spinning faster than it was half a century ago. On June 29, the Earth's full rotation took 1.59 milliseconds, less than 24 hours, the shortest day ever recorded. Scientists have warned that if the rotation rate continues to speed up, we may need to remove a second from our atomic clocks. If Earth's fast rotation continues, it could lead to the introduction of the first ever negative leap second, astrophysicist Graham Jones reported via timeanddate.com. This would be required to keep civil time, which is based on the super steady beat of atomic books, in step with solar system, which is based on the movement of the sun across the sky. A negative leap second would mean that our clocks skip 1 second, which could potentially create problems for IT systems. Researchers at Meta said a leap second would have colossal effect on technology and become a major source of pain for hardware infrastructures. The impact of a negative leap second has never been tested on a large scale. It could have a devastating effect on the software relying on timers or schedulers. A blog post on the topic, authored by researchers Oleg Oblyukhov and Ahmed Byagovi, claimed scientists Leonid Zotov, Christian Bizard, and Nikolay Sidorenkov claimed the irregular rotations are the results of something called the Chandler wobble, an irregular movement of Earth's geographical poles across the surface of the globe. The normal amplitude of the Chandler wobble is about 3 meter to 4 meter at Earth's surface, Zotov told Time and Date, but from 2017 to 2020 it disappeared. Earth has recorded its shortest day since scientists began using atomic clocks to measure its rotational speed, Time and Date reported. On June 29, 2022, Earth completed one spin in 1.59 milliseconds, less than 24 hours. This is the latest in a series of speed records for Earth since 2020. Zotov told Time and Date that there's a 70% chance the planet has already reached the minimum length of a day, meaning we will likely never have to use a negative leap second. However, Zotov admitted there is no way to know for certain with current technology.